Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Data. So today I'm back with a very interesting topic on data analysis. I've seen a lot of you are actually interested to begin your career in the field of data analysis. So I've decided to chart out a list of courses that can actually help you to get started in this journey. So data analysis is an indispensable part in one's career. It is the process that empowers us to draw meaningful inferences from data, be it through SQL, Python, R, or maybe even Excel. In case you are an aspiring data analyst or you are planning to specialize in data analytics, a short refresher course is often the best way to get started. And I am there to help you through this video. So let's go ahead. So if in case you are new to my channel, I would request you to go through the data science playlist, which contains a lot of interesting videos like data science projects for a beginner, data science courses for a beginner, and so on. So feel free to subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. So course number one in no particular order is from Simplilearn, and this is a 3 hours self-paced video session course which will offer you a course completion certificate in the end. This is an introduction to data analytics course. It has a rating of 4.6 stars. Now, this course is for anyone who is planning to become a data analyst or an analytics manager. This course offers you a strong foundation to work with different types of data because whenever you are starting to become a data analyst or you are planning your journey in the field of data analyst, it's very important that you know how to deal with different types of data, how to pre-process the data for a better decision making. So this program, this actually course contains a list of various topics, which is from course introduction to data analytics importance, types of data, descriptive analytics, diagnostic analysis, and how to deal with different types of data. Like there are qualitative and quantitative data, levels of measurement, and so on. So this is the entire course content. And this is a free course. So if you're a beginner, you can surely give it a try. So another course is from Udemy, which is the Data Analyst course, Complete Data Analyst Bootcamp 2022. It is a bestseller course with a rating of 4.5 stars. And this is a complete package in itself, as you'll get to learn Python, NumPy, Pandas, the entire data collection pre-processing steps. You'll get to practice with the real world data. You'll solve a final capstone project. You'll actually master data visualization as this course promises. You'll get to know how to clean the data with Panda series and data frames. And there's a complete data cleaning exercise also. So all in all, this is a complete package. This will basically help you understand data, how to clean data, and how to prep yourself for a better decision making. So I think this is a great course that you should try. And this course has no prior requirements, no prior experience, because this is starting from the very basics. All you need to install is Anaconda. That's also a very guided process. So I think that you can go ahead and give this course a try. So up next is another course from Udemy, which is a data analysis nano degree. This is a complete guide to data analysis and is perfect for anyone who is planning to begin the journey in the field of data analysis. This course has a rating of 4.8 stars. You'll get to learn a wide varieties of techniques, meaning you'll basically learn a wide varieties of techniques to modify the data. You'll learn statistics and probability. You'll learn Excel, SQL, Python, Tableau, and so on. So this course will basically help you learn data analysis through different tools. And if you look at the course content, apart from the course introduction, there is statistics and probability. You'll get to learn the measures of central tendency, the z-test, t-test, outliers, and confidence levels, hypothesis testing, and so on. And then there is a section for Excel for data analysis, wherein you'll use Excel for data analysis. You'll get to learn how to clean data, how to remove duplicates, changing the data types, and so on. All in all, you will get to manipulate the data through Excel. And then there is another section for SQL. So this is perfect for anyone who is planning to do a data analysis using SQL. And then similar is the case for Python. R, and Tableau. So I think this is a perfect course because it is an amalgamation of data manipulation using a wide varieties of techniques. So if you are planning to learn data analysis using R, if you're planning to learn data analysis using Python, you can give this course a try. So let's talk about another course, which is from Udacity. It is the Udacity's Nano degree program. Now, there are some prerequisites to this program. You have to have knowledge in Python and SQL. This course has an estimated time period of 4 months, and you'll get to learn data analysis using Python and SQL, wherein this course will help you refine your ability to work with messy and complex data sets. If you look at the course content, the first section is an introduction to data analysis. Then there is a practical statistics section wherein you will actually apply inferential statistics like A/B tests and building supervised decision models. Then you have a data wrangling section where you learn how to handle the data wrangling process. And the final section is the data visualization with Python. You'll learn to apply visualization principles. This program basically has a wide varieties of features. You'll get to know, you'll actually get some real world projects. You have a technical mentor support, career services, flexible learning program, and this is the entire section of program offerings. This is co-created with Kaggle. There are some real world projects, project reviews also there. You have a technical mentor support. So this Udacity's nano degree program is also a great course. So last but not the least is a course from Coursera. It is IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate. It has a rating of 4.6 stars. You will develop a working knowledge of Python to analyze data, and you'll also get to learn about pandas, NumPy, and other API and web services. Talking in terms of data visualizations, you'll get to know about various charts and plots in Excel, and then you'll get to learn about the data ecosystem, and you'll learn to compose queries to access data in cloud databases using Python and SQL from Jupyter notebooks. So the skills you'll gain: Excel, Python, data analysis, SQL, and so on. So this is a professional certificate which will help you gain job ready skills for an entry level data analyst role. And then this does not require any prior programming or statistical skills. It is suitable for learners with or without college degrees, as it is mentioned here. Now, applied learning project. Throughout the program, you will complete hands on projects and lab exercises. And at the end of the program, you'll complete a real world capstone project specifically designed to showcase your data analyst skills. So, this is also a wonderful course to get started. At the end, you will get a professional certificate because you also have hands on projects, you'll earn a career credential. I think this can also be a good course to get started, and there is a financial aid option available as well. That's the end of the video, and I think that this video will help you in your data analysis journey. So stay tuned for more videos on data science and other related topics. Do like, share, and subscribe to Journey with Data. Thank you so much.